Hi, this is going to be an interesting video today. Where we're doing, well, I won't say I'll say interesting because I'm filming with my other camera, with my other phone. Sorry, I have the iPhone 14 Pro, as many of you know, but I'm recording with my backup phone, the Motorola phone that I use for like just as a spare phone because I don't have a landline. Well, as you can see by now, today we were gonna do an unboxing of the JBL Vibe Buds 2 earbuds with active noise cancelling. Now the reason why I got these is I've had two different pairs of the JBL 125 Bluetooth. That's the wired one that goes around your neck, and both of them, the right ear is conked out on me, and I think it's because like when I sleep, I tend to sleep on it. So we're going to do an unboxing of these, and we're going to pair it to this. Now I've already when you buy these brand new, well, these are brand new from Amazon. There is a tape thing here on the end. I've already taken that off just to make it a bit easier for us to open it up on the video. Right, so we got it here. We're gonna pull it out, and they say these are really easy to pair. I've read the instructions online, and it says you just all you got to do is open up your Bluetooth and it'll automatically pair. Now this is interesting. This is going to be, let me see here. I think this is just, oh, that's just the well, that's spare earbuds. I like to make it smaller. And this here is, oh, it's the instruction guide. Right, with the quick start guide. So we're gonna take this out of here and there in here. It's well packaged. Anything from JBL is well packaged, right? And they sit in here. This isn't one that closes. I've had a different pair years ago, and this is the charging thing. So there must be a cable in here somewhere. That's kind of weird. There's no cable here. Oh, I see the cable. It is right here. It's probably underneath. So we're gonna pause this for a sec. Hi, we're back here. Anywhere it doesn't say in the manual, but it comes with a chargeable, but it's your standard USB-C. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to pair these to the phone now, right? So you're supposed to be able to go into settings, right? So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take these out of the container first, right? So we're going to put them there. We're going to put them there, so they're on. Apparently they're on now. You see the little green light, and they're trying to pair. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our we're going to go to settings, right? We're going to go to Bluetooth, right? And let's look for other devices, and we're going to see if it comes up. JBL Go 2. Oh, it's already paired, so it's right here. So we're gonna, yeah. So we're gonna. It's a speaker. It's I guess we'll call it a headphone. And it says not connected. So I'm gonna have to do a bit of research here, so hang on. Okay, this is odd. It does not come with the a charging cable, which I'm kind of surprised. And it's just an open thing like this, like there's no lid to it or anything. I'm just trying to find out if I was supposed to have one come with it. It doesn't say anywhere in the box, or if it should come with one. I find that very strange, but anyway, we're gonna try to read through here. So I'm gonna pause it again to see if there is supposed to be something. Okay, I've got it connected now. So now I just got to try playing some music. You guys won't be able to hear it, so we're gonna go into Spotify, and we're just gonna search for so we're playing the song I'll Sewer Time Passes. Now it seemed to work good. Yeah, so we've got it paired up. So what we're going to do now is we'll end this video and we'll do a review on it. So if that sounds good, we'll do a review and we'll add it on to the end before we post this. So far, like they've been pretty good. I listened to parts of different songs, and I had it paired, right? And so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna play like a royalty-free song here, or actually, well, I'll just keep it low. Let me see. We're gonna go royalty free music, so I don't get a copyright, because I want to okay, so we're gonna play this. It's supposed to be royalty free, so I won't get a copyright strike. Okay, you can hear that on there now. But when I take these out, it will automatically pair to them, right? Yeah, it's definitely playing through these now. Now when I put them back in here, it will disconnect. It's back on here, so that's perfect. So I would highly recommend this as a purchase if you're in the market for something like this. But please keep in mind that it does not come with the charge cable, right? So what I gotta figure out here too is which one is right and left. It's hard to figure that out. Okay, so make sure you figure that out, or like I'm not sure. I guess when it's in here. Yeah, it doesn't really say. We're gonna put my light on this to see if I can tell you. Oh, that is left. It is marked left. So when you got it here, here's the trick. So when you have this in front of you. Right, we'll shut this off. Where it says the JBL, when it's facing you, the one on the left is the one on the left for your left ear, and the one on the right is for your right ear. So thanks for watching, and this was the setup and mini review of the JBL Vibe Buds noise canceling earbuds. So thank you so much for watching, and remember, you do have to pick up a USB charging cable for it. So thanks again.